Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Alien English Show. I'm Stella, your English teacher from Earth.
And I'm Blip. I come from far, far away.
From another planet, right?
Yes, I am new here. I want to learn human English.
Perfect, Blip. And we'll learn together, step by step. Today, we'll learn how to say hello, introduce yourself, and talk about your day.
Ooh, that sounds exciting.
Okay, Blip, let's start with greetings. When humans meet, they say, hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
And when we leave, we say goodbye?
Exactly. Or bye, see you, or take care.
Humans have so many ways to say hello and goodbye. On my planet, we only beep twice. Beep, beep.
Well, on Earth, we use words. Let's practice. I say hello to you and you answer, okay?
Okay, Stella.
Hello, Blip.
Hi, Stella.
Good job. Now try, good morning, Stella.
Good morning, Stella.
Excellent. Can I say good morning, humans? Yes, but maybe say good morning, everyone, instead. It's friendlier. Now, let's learn how to introduce yourself. You can say, my name is Stella, or I'm Stella.
Oh, easy. My name is Blip. I am Blip.
Perfect. Now, how do you ask for someone's name?
Who are you?
That's correct, but a little strong for humans. We say, what's your name?
What's your name?
Very good. Let's practice a small dialogue. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Blip. What's your name?
My name is Stella. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Excellent. You sound very friendly, Blip.
Thank you. On my planet, I am very popular. I have 3 friends.
That's a good start. Now that we can say hello, let's make small talk. Small talk means short, friendly conversation.
Small talk, like little words?
Sort of. It means talking about simple things, like the weather, your day, or how you feel.
Oh, I understand. So, what do humans say?
Let's try, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Okay. How are you, Stella?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you, Blip?
I am confused, but happy.
That's okay. English can be confusing at first. Let's practice more. You can also say, I'm good. I'm okay. I'm tired. I'm great.
I'm great. I just landed on Earth.
That's the spirit.
Can I say I'm spacey?
Not really. Humans might think you're strange.
I am strange.
Touché. Now, let's talk about the weather. Humans love to talk about the weather.
Why? The sky changes every day. Just look up.
That's true. But it's polite conversation. We say things like, it's sunny today. It's cold today. It's raining. It's windy.
Okay, I'll try. It's windy. It's cold. It's raining humans?
Oh, Blip. It's raining means water falls from the sky, not humans.
Oh, on my planet, it rains metal sometimes.
That sounds dangerous.
Only if you forget your space umbrella.
You're learning very well, Blip. Now let's learn how to talk about your day, your daily routine. For example, I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I go home. I go to bed.
Ah, easy. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I fly my spaceship. I study humans. I go to bed under 2 moons.
That's a great routine.
What about you, Stella?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I drink coffee. I teach English. I read books. And I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Wow, very human.
Thank you, Blip. Now, let's practice with time. What time do you wake up, Blip?
I don't know. There is no time in space.
Okay, on Earth, we use clocks. You can say, I wake up at 8 o'clock.
I wake up at 8 o'clock. I eat breakfast at 9 o'clock.
Perfect. Now, let's learn feelings. I say the word and you repeat, okay?
Okay.
Happy,
Happy,
sad,
sad,
tired,
tired,
hungry.
hungry. I am always hungry.
What do you eat, Blip?
Rocks. Sometimes radio waves.
Interesting diet. Humans eat food. Bread, rice, fruit, vegetables.
I will try this bread.
One step at a time. Now, let's learn how to ask simple questions. We can use the words what, where, who, when, and how.
Oh, I like questions. I have many.
Okay, let's start. What asks for things. For example, what is your name?
What is your name?
Good. Where asks for a place. Where are you from?
I am from planet Blip 9. It's far, far away.
Wow. What do you do?
I study humans and English.
Very interesting. What time do you wake up?
At 8 o'clock. I eat breakfast at 9 o'clock.
What do you eat?
Sometimes bread. Sometimes space rocks.
Well, I recommend bread.
Bread is delicious.
Now let's do a full conversation, slowly. Everyone listening, repeat with us. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Blip. What's your name?
My name is Stella. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. Where are you from?
I am from Glip 9. It's far, far away.
Wow. What do you do?
I study humans and English.
Very interesting. What time do you wake up?
At 8 o'clock. I eat breakfast at 9 o'clock.
What do you eat?
Sometimes bread. Sometimes space rocks.
Well, I recommend bread.
Bread is delicious.
Now let's review today's new words and phrases. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Goodbye. See you. What's your name? My name is. Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to bed happy, sad, tired, hungry. It's sunny. It's raining. It's cold. It's windy.
So many words. My brain is full of English.
That's a good thing, Blip.
Can I say my brain is full of stars?
Sure, that's beautiful. And that's all for today, everyone. You learned greetings, introductions, small talk, and daily routine. Practice speaking every day, just like Blip.
Yes, practice, practice, practice.
If you liked this episode, follow us and come back next time. Next episode, we'll learn how to order food on Earth.
I can't wait. Maybe I can eat pizza.
Maybe.